Hello children, welcome back to my channel. Now it is old news that syllabus has been reduced by 30%. We all know that. And we are not going to talk about that in this video. Here we are going to analyze the format of the paper as given by the CBSE. It is important to understand the syllabus, the various topics that are given and the weightage of marks distribution. This is important so that you can focus on what's important and score better marks in your exam. This video is all about that. Students, this year in class 10 English paper, it has completely been divided into two parts, part A and part B. Part A is only objective questions. All are of 1 mark each. So the first is the reading section, which is for 20 marks. The first question will be a passage which is around 400 words. There will be total of 12 multiple choice questions, each of 1 mark, out of which you will choose 10. So the total marks would be 10 marks for the first question. The second question will again be a multiple choice question, but this time it will be a case-based factual passage. It could be with a pie chart or a graph or some visual data or any other statistical data that is given. Again, there will be 12 multiple choice questions, each of 1 mark, and you will have to do 10 out of the 12 questions. So again, the maximum marks is 10. So first question is 10 marks, second question is 10 marks. So the total of reading section will be for 20 marks. Second will be the literature. In literature, there will be 10 marks, which is only objective. So out of that, the first will be an extract from a lesson. So there will be an extract from the lesson, and then there will be 5 questions which are multiple choice questions, each of 1 mark. So totally it will be 5 marks. Similarly, the next question will be a multiple choice question, but here you will have an extract from poem. So there will be an extract from a poem, there will be some lines, and then there will be 5 questions, each of 1 mark. There will be another similar set, poem with 5 questions. You will have to do 1 out of the 2. So the total marks will be 5. So 5 and 5, 10 marks will be objectives from literature. The third will be grammar. In grammar, the total marks will be 10. So there will be 10 multiple choice questions out of 12. You will be given 12 questions and you have to do 10. The questions will be based only on these chapters, that is the tenses, modals, subject-verb agreement, reported speech and determiners. In reported speech, you will have imperative sentences, that is the command and request. You will have statements, you will have questions. Moving on to the part B. This has 2 sections. One is the writing section, which is of 10 marks, and the literature subjective, which is of 40 marks. For the convenience of understanding better, I have put it in a tabular form so that we can see easily and we can understand better. Now, first is a formal letter, which is of 100 to 120 words. There will be 2 letters, out of which you will be writing 1. So it is of 5 marks. The second is an analytical paragraph. Again, it is a question for 100 to 120 words. There will be 2 questions, out of which you will be choosing 1. Here, there will be some data given, or maybe only some outline will be given, some statistical charts may be given. It is also for 5 marks. Now, short answers 20 to 30 words. Out of total 3, you will have to do 2 from first flight. Each question will be for 2 marks. So totally first flight you will be doing for 4 marks. Similarly, the second one also is short answers, 20 to 30 words. 3 will be given in total. Out of 3 questions, you will be writing 2, but this time it will be from footprint without feet. 1 question will be for 2 marks, so totally you will be attempting for 4 marks. So short answers, 20 to 30 words, in total 8 marks. Now the second set of short answers, this will be 40 to 50 words. Again, there will be a total of 3, out of which you will be attempting 2. The first will be from first flight. Each question will be for 3 marks, and so the total will be 6 marks from first flight. Second, short answers, 40 to 50 words, total will be 3, out of which you will do 2. This time it will be from footprints without feet. Each question will be for 3 marks. So the total you will be writing from footprints without feet will be 6 marks. So 40 to 50 words, short answers, total will be 12 marks. Now the long answer. The first long answer, the word limit is 100 to 120. There will be 2 questions from the first flight, out of which you will do 1, and the question carries 5 marks. The last question will be the long answer, 100 to 120 words. There will be 2 questions from footprints, out of which you will take 1, and again it will be for 5 marks. Now we are going to do the section wise breakup. This is very important when you are going to focus and you have to see how much of time you should devote. Reading section is 20 marks and everything is multiple choice. Writing is 10 marks, 2 passages. Story writing has been deleted this time. Grammar is for 10 marks and literature is for 40 marks. I am going through quickly doing the syllabus that has been deleted. In first flight, there are 5. How to tell wild animals, trees, fog, Mitchell the otter, and for Anne Gregory. From footprints without feet, there are 3 lessons that have been deleted. The Midnight Visitor, The Question of Trust, and The Book That Saved the Earth. The syllabus deleted in grammar, use of passive voice, noun adverb relative clauses, and preposition. Children, I hope you found this useful. Please let me know what you thought and whether it was useful or not. And thank you for watching the video.